What's up, crypto family? Breaking news just dropped that's got the entire SHIB army buzzing. We're seeing massive whale movements that could send SHIB rocketing towards new heights. We're talking about 24 huge transactions worth $46 million in a single day. But hold that thought, because there's something even bigger you need to know about. Hey everyone, Gold Rush here, and you're watching Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your #1 source for no-nonsense crypto analysis and breaking news. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next for SHIB. Before we dive in, remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, let's get into this juicy news. Let's start with this fascinating article from Tron Weekly that just dropped. Tron Weekly is reporting on a massive surge in Shiba Inu whale activity. Folks, this could be a major indicator of where Shib's price is headed. With larger transactions exceeding $100,000 netting a volume of $46.03 million, signs suggest that notable investors are preparing either for gains or anticipating further increases in price. Over the last 24 hours alone, the increase in large transactions by 92% may reflect an underlying bullish sentiment among whales, an emerging trend that investors should closely monitor. A 92% increase in large transactions, folks? That's huge. We're talking about transactions exceeding $100,000, with a total volume of $46.03 million. This suggests that big players, the whales, are either taking profits or positioning themselves for a further price increase. This is definitely something to watch closely. The article emphasizes the importance of this whale activity. Whale movements often correlate strongly with market trends, indicating possible future price fluctuations. As these investors accumulate SHIB, the dynamics shift significantly, influencing retail investor behavior. This accumulation phase could amplify Shib's potential price movement if market conditions remain favorable. Whale movements often correlate with market trends, folks. These big players can influence the market, and their accumulation could amplify Shib's potential price movement. This is a classic case of follow the smart money. If the whales are buying, it might be a good time to pay attention. Now, let's talk about some key price levels. The article highlights the 17 level as crucial resistance. At the time of writing, SHIB is hovering around $0.000017 level that can be deemed as a crucial resistance level. After several days of convergence, it has not been possible to break through this level. In fact, this resistance also coincides with the 20-day of the Bollinger Bands. The median line is vital to the movements of the price of SHIB. In the case when SHIB breaks out above this level, it can be directed towards the upper Bollinger Band, which is $0.00002. 17. Folks, that's the resistance level to watch. And it coincides with the 20-day median line of the Bollinger Bands. This is a critical point. If SHIB can break above this level, we could see a move towards the upper Bollinger Band, which is at 20. That would be a significant increase, folks. But the article also warns about potential downside. If SHIB can't break through that resistance, it could decline to the lower Bollinger Band at 14. And here's another concerning factor, the burn rate. Nevertheless, the Shiba Inu community is continuing to indicate negative signs concerning the token burn. SHIB burned only 708,198 in the last 24 hours, representing a 95.04% decrease in the prior burn rates. For the past week, the burn rate was down by 20.77% of the total, with only 58,303,050 Shiba Inu coins that were burned. They're saying that the burn rate is showing negative signs. Only 708,198 in the last 24 hours, which is down 95.04%. And for the week, the burn rate is down over 20%. Okay, we've covered the whale activity and the key price levels, but also that concerning drop in the burn rate. Now we will look at a different article that does report a surge. Let's check out this article from you.today, titled 58,303,050 SHIB burned as Shiba Inu registers impressive weekly gains. You.today is reporting on the SHIB burn rate, folks, and while the weekly total is down, there's been a recent surge. According to a recently published tweet, over the past week, the SHIB community has managed to destroy 58,303,050 Shiba Inu coins in total. However, the weekly burn rate is still 20.77% down compared to the previous week. As for the daily burn rate, it is deep in the red zone too, displaying a 95.02% decline with less than 1 million coins transferred to unspendable wallets, 708,198 SHIB. As reported by U.Today on Friday, the SHIB burn rate printed a surge of 2,005% with 14,279,657 SHIB gone from circulation for good. Okay, folks, so while the overall weekly burn rate is down, we saw a huge surge of over 2,000% on Friday. That's over 14 million SHIB sent to the burn address in a single day. This shows the community is still actively trying to reduce the supply. And how has Shib's price been performing? Between Wednesday and Friday, the second most popular meme-themed cryptocurrency SHIB staged an increase of roughly 10%, soaring from $0.00001554 and hitting the local high of $0.00001704. A 10% increase from Wednesday to Friday, folks. SHIB hit a local high of 1704. So, despite some volatility, we're seeing positive price action. Okay, let's connect the dots here. We have a huge surge in whale activity, suggesting that big players are accumulating SHIB. We have a key resistance level at 17, which also coincides with the 20-day moving average on the Bollinger Bands. A breakout above this level could signal a move towards 20. We have a fluctuating burn rate. Overall weekly burns are down, but we saw a massive daily spike recently, showing the community is still committed to reducing the supply. In my opinion, SHIB is at a critical juncture. The whale activity is definitely bullish, and if we can break through that resistance at 17 and see the burn rate consistently increase, we could be looking at a significant rally. However, the overall market sentiment and Bitcoin's price action will also play a major role. So, what do you think? Are those whales accumulating SHIB for a major pump? Will SHIB break through that key resistance level? And what's your take on the fluctuating burn rate? Let me know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos for more expert analysis and insights into the crypto market. This is Gold Rush, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.